Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
One person?
Yes.
Please sit here.
Okay.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I want a chicken burger.
Do you want a drink?
Yes. Water, please.
Do you want fries?
Yes. Small fries.
Spicy or not spicy?
Not spicy.
Okay, one chicken burger, small fries, and water.
Yes, that's correct.
It will be ready in 10 minutes.
Thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Here is your food.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it is very good.
Would you like some dessert?
What do you have?
We have ice cream, cake, and fruit.
I'll have ice cream, please.
One moment, please. Here you go.
Thank you. It's very good.
Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
The total is $12.
Here is $15. Keep the change.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Hello. Excuse me.
Yes?
I'm new here. I came from Canada.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you. Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Where is the train station?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far?
No. It is close.
Can I walk there?
Yes. Only 5 minutes.
Is it easy to find?
Yes. Very easy.
Is there a sign?
Yes. A blue sign.
Is it near a shop?
Yes. Next to a post office.
Can I go by bus?
Yes. Bus number 3.
Is it safe to walk?
Yes. Very safe.
Is the station open now?
Yes. It is open.
Is there a toilet there?
Yes. Inside the station.
Thank you. You are kind.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day. Hello.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes. Where is the milk?
It's in aisle 3.
Where can I find eggs?
They are near the milk.
Do you sell bread?
Yes, in aisle 2.
Where is the sugar?
Aisle 5 on the top shelf.
Do you have water bottles?
Yes, small and large bottles.
How much is one bottle?
$1 for small, $2 for large.
Where are the apples?
In the fruit section,
Where is the cheese?
aisle 6, next to the yogurt.
Do you sell rice?
Yes, many kinds. Aisle 4.
I'm ready to pay.
Okay, please come here. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, one bag please.
Do you have a loyalty card?
No, I don't.
Would you like one?
Maybe next time.
Cash or card?
Cash, please.
Here is your change.
Thank you.
Do you want your receipt?
Yes, please.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Hi there.
Hello.
Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, very sunny and calm.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every evening. You?
This is my first time here.
Oh, welcome. It's a nice place.
Are you from this city?
Yes, and you?
No, I moved here last month.
Do you like it so far?
Yes, it's quiet and clean.
That's true.
How old are you?
I'm 25. You?
Same. I'm 25 too.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, I work at the bank. You?
I work in a clothes shop.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's okay. I like fashion.
That's great.
What do you do after work?
I go for a walk or watch movies.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I play tennis. Do you?
I like walking and yoga.
That's healthy.
Do you come here alone?
Yes, sometimes with friends.
Do you want to walk together?
Sure. Let's walk. Do you like this park?
Yes, it's my favorite place.
What time do you usually come?
Around 5 p.m. It was nice talking with you.
Yes, I enjoyed it too.
I have to go now.
Okay. Maybe we can meet again?
Sure, same time tomorrow?
Sounds good. See you then.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.